rumors are circulating once more that the Toyota Estima, known as the Tarago or Previa in certain markets, will be making a return as a fully electric MPV, with Japanese publication BestCarWeb stating that the EV will arrive sometime in 2025. The present report indicates that the electric MPV will sit on an improved version of the automaker's e-TNGA platform, which would allow for either front drive or all-wheel drive applications and have an operating range of around 600 km on a single charge. In previous communications of its electrification path, the company never intimated anything along the lines of the Estima, which was discontinued in late 2019, in its intended model lineup. If it does come about as suggested, the electric Estima should be rebadged as a BZ model in line with the automaker's chosen nomenclature for its electric vehicles. According to the data provided, work on the car is already underway, so we can expect its first prototypes on public roads in the near future. It will be presented no earlier than 2025, although the deadlines may be shifted. The unsubstantiated report also suggests pricing for the electric Toyota Tarago could start from up to 7 million yen in its home market, equivalent to approximately $74,000 in Australian currency.